Find out the lowest number which when divided separately by 14, 24, 42 will leaves 5 as a remainder in each case. See here, they are asking us to find out the lowest number which when divided separately by 14, 24, 42. They are telling this number that we are dividing by 14 or 24, 42. So when you are dividing this number by these three numbers separately, no, it means this number must be greater than these three numbers. Yes or no? Yes. That's why that number we have to find out by taking the LCM of these three numbers. If you choose the HCF, no, the answer you are going to get a smaller than this. So in that case, we can't divide that smallest number by this greatest number. So in LCM only we will get the bigger number always. Yes or no? So that's why we will choose here LCM. Okay, first we will find the LCM, then to that answer we need to add 5 here. Okay, so when we will add this 5 with that answer, no, I mean this lowest number, we will get one number. So from that number, when we will divide this again 14, 24, 42 to that number separately, no, the remainder it will leave behind, that is 5. Okay, now let's start doing this question. So in this question, which numbers they have given? That is 14, 24 and 42. As I told you, first we need to take a LCM of this. 2 7s are 14, 2 12s are 24, 2 21s are 42. Now since here it is a even number, now let me take 2 only. 7 as it is, 2 6 are 12, 21 as it is. Now 6 is a even number, let me take a 3, 2 7 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 21. Now let me take 3, 7 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 7s are 21. Now we left with only 7. 7 1s are 1, 7 1s are 1. So whatever the prime numbers we got now, that we need to do multiply. Therefore LCM of 14, 24, 42 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So when I'll multiply all these three numbers, no, I'll get that is 168. Now as you can see here, 168, which is bigger than these three numbers, then only we can do the division. No, if you're going with the HCF, we will get obviously very smaller number. In that case, we can't divide that smaller number by these three numbers. Now see here, 168, I can divide it by 14. Yes, see here, 14 1s are 14. After subtraction left with the 2, 8 comes down. 14 2s are 28. Now the remainder we got 0. Okay, now we have next, that is 24. 168 by 24. Now see here, 24 7s are, that is 168. The remainder is 0 0. And we have another number, let me try that also. 168 divided by 42. Okay, 42 4s are, I'll get 168. Now see the remainder we got 0. This, it means this number is exactly dividing by these three numbers. But in the question they are telling, now find out that lowest number when we will divide these by these three numbers. No, it is remainder is leaving behind, that is 5. Okay, it means what we need to do, we need to add 160 plus 5 here. Okay, here 8 plus 5 13, here 1 plus 6 is 7, and here it is 1, that we got 173. So therefore the lowest number what they asked in the question, no, that is 173. Okay, now for this we will do the cross check. See here, this is also not necessary, this is also kind of cross check only. Now 173. Okay, now this is the lowest number. When I'll divide by this 14, 24, 42 separately, no, I must get a 5 as a remainder here. Now let's do the cross check for that. 173, I'm dividing by 14 first. 14 1s are 14. What left here? 7 minus 4, that is 3, 33. 1 minus 1 is 0 here. Now in the next, again 14 2s are 28. 13 minus 8, I'll get 5. Here it will become 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So in the first case we found the remainder as a 5. Now let me try with the next number. 173 divided by next number we are having, that is 24. Now 24 7s are, as we have done here, 168. Now see here, again 13 minus 8 5. Here it will become 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. In the second case also we found remainder as a 5. Now let me try with the last number, that is 173 divided by, that is 42. Now 42 4s are, I'm having 168. See again, 13 minus 8 5. Here 7, it will become 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So here also we found the remainder as a 5. So it means the lowest number what we found, 173, that is correct. Okay.